Yeah, hello. Me, Omkar Mandke. I've done my postgraduate diploma in counseling psychology, and today I was here to give an introductory lecture about the use of dramatics in psychotherapy, and it is a very forward-looking topic. त्यामुळे I'm very happy that the college has taken the effort to introduce these future-focused topics in the curriculum right now. कारण इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये ह्या गोष्टी घडत आहेत, so students need to know about it. So I'm very glad that the faculty here is trying to introduce newer and newer topics. The session was very interesting कारण students are bright and very enthusiastic about participating. So overall a very nice experience. The infrastructure is very nice आणि दुसरं faculty is forward looking. ते खूप काय करायचा प्रयत्न करतायत for the betterment of students. And most importantly, students have been selected in a way that they want to learn. Thank you.